Here today I want to show you a little something about this 2015 Peugeot 508. So in Israel this vehicle is very common with this 1.6 petrol engine, turbocharged petrol engine. It's common with Mini and BMW as well, of course Citroen. And I couldn't find any information about this specific engine on the 508, how to replace the oil filter. So usually the oil filter is down below or maybe up. So in this vehicle it's neither of those. Let me remove this hose. You can see that the filter is down below, right under this radiator hose, and I don't have any access to it. So how did I change the oil filter? And I want to help you with this as well. So first of all, you need to drain the oil. It's with an 8mm hex bolt down below, but after you drain the oil, you want to replace the oil filter. So you need to loose this clamp. Maybe you have another clamp here. You want to remove the connector, another clamp here, and then this vacuum hose just comes off. It just comes off like that. And from here just pull it out, and then you remove this intake hose from the turbocharger, and then you need to go to the lower intake hose that go from the intake to the air filter. You just pull it off like so, and you have here another 10mm bolt that holds it in place. After you remove those two hoses, you have access to the oil filter cap. You remove it with a 27mm socket, and then you just, like any other inner filter, you replace the O-ring, the filter. The tighten torque is 25 Newton meter, and then you close it, you add some oil inside, and that's all.